going to kind of do some movement. Everything is optional. We're going to go through a Yogarate Silly Stretching routine. The purpose of the routine is to stretch out your bodies, stretch out your muscles, and it's going to help you. Because how many of you have ever had a tight neck at all? How many of you would actually like to be able to get paid at work to stretch your neck out? So that's what we're going to do. Hey, oh, Miss So-and-so has a tight neck. Oh, my back is bothering me. My legs feel a little sore. Oh, guess what? We're doing Yogarate Silly Stretching, and then you can actually do it. So I invite everybody to stand up. If you can't see, just move over to left to the right. And if you're too far back, you can't see, there's spots on the sides as well. If I get up on here, would that be helpful? Okay. So, silly stretching. Silly stretching starts with the neck and goes all the way down. It's all listed out and written down in the handout that you got, in the handout that you can download. And if you go onto my YouTube page, there's me in my costume doing green screen shows where I have the silly stretching and the sun salutation we can't really do because it's a lot of movement, but we're going to do some of it, okay? So, silly stretching, what you're doing is you're just going to move your head around nice and easy. And you may hear cracks and kringles and things like that. It's okay, now go the other way. We can go your way. Okay, good. Now, ready? Everybody, we're just going to check our neck. Everybody slowly go this way. How many of you feel a tightness already? Okay, good. Now slowly go that way. Now I know that you may have been trained to grab your head and tear it out of your shoulder to stretch you more. We're going to do something different. Everybody, what I want you to do is turn your head this way. Now once you feel a stretch, take the opposite hand. So if you're going this way, and point it 45 degrees down, and see if all of a sudden you get much more of a stretch in your whole here like that. Okay. And this is also great. It's a nice little cushion for you. There you go. All right, now let's go the other way. Same thing. First you tilt your neck this way. Then take your hand. You're going to reverse John Travolta it. And then just pull down. So see, take your hand and you pull. And when you pull, you feel more of a stretch in your neck. Okay, now we're doing this. We're going to do this crazy new thing called breathing. So watch. You're going to switch your, it's a new hip thing the kids are doing. Switch your hand to go like this. Now ready, watch. Belly breathe. That means breathing with your belly. Breathe in. Breathe out. Go the other way. Point. Breathe in. Breathe out. Just like that, okay? Now just check your neck a little bit. How many of you feel your neck's a little bit looser? Okay, that was like a minute. Okay, do this with your kids. Okay, then what you're going to do is you're going to look up. You're going to pretend like you're eating some baby food from a bird. Everyone go like this, go nom 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 nom. And now eat your belly. Go like this, go nom 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 nom. By the way, if you look at me for a second, if you tuck your chin in and you already feel stretching going in your lower back, it's your body telling you, please stretch me out more. Make sense?